Crispy Fried Tofu is a simple low-fat and high-protein dish that can be enjoyed as asna side dish. Full ingredients and measurements at the end. Cut the tofu into cubes, place them in a container, add about 1 tsp of salt, and soak in water for 3 minutes. Prepare the ingredients for the sauce while the tofu soaks. Place the tofu cubes into the air fryer and spray with a little oil. Place in the air fryer. You can also use a frying pan. Air fry at high heat for 8 minutes. Then flip and fry for another 8 minutes. Please observe the tofu and adjust the time as needed, as air fryer. Add cooking oil to a pan. Heat it until it is just starting to smoke. Then add minced garlic, cumin powder, and chili powder. Keep the heat low and stir fry until fragrant. Add about 1 3/4 cups 400 milliliters of water. At this point, flip the tofu in the air fryer, spray with a little more oil, and continue frying. Once the sauce comes to a boil, add light soy sauce. Add dark soy sauce. Add white vinegar. Add salt. Add Thai chili. Add the potato starch slurry. Stir well and set aside. Place the crispy tofu on a plate, drizzle with the sauce and garnish with cilantro. Done. Subscribe to my channel for more